Want to say goodbye to your TikTok shop and permanently close your seller account? Here's exactly how to do it. First, open your TikTok app and tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. This will take you to your personal profile page. Next, look for the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner of your profile. Tap on those lines to open the Options menu. From the menu that appears, select Settings and Privacy. This is where you'll find all the account management options. Within Settings and Privacy, you'll see a section labeled Account. Tap on this option to proceed. Now, you're looking for the option to deactivate or delete your account. It might say Deactivate Account or Delete Account. Tap on it. This is a crucial step. TikTok will likely ask you to confirm you want to delete your account, and they'll warn you about the permanent loss of your data, including all your TikTok shop information. You might need to go through a short verification process, which could involve a countdown or entering a confirmation code sent to your phone or email. Once you've confirmed and completed the verification, your TikTok shop seller account will be scheduled for permanent deletion. All your associated data will be removed according to TikTok's policies. And that's it. Your TikTok shop seller account is now on its way to being permanently deleted.